Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna help you decide if you should use exclusive mode on Tidal. If you're all about sound quality, this is something you're probably gonna wanna know. So what exactly is exclusive mode? When you turn it on, Tidal takes full control of your audio output. That means it bypasses your computer's system sounds and focuses only on the music coming from the Tidal app. This helps avoid any audio interference or sound processing done by your system. You're going to hear your tracks exactly how Tidal streams them, unfiltered and direct. If you're listening to hi-fi or max quality, then yeah, exclusive mode would make a difference. It's especially helpful if you're using wired headphones, external DACs, or studio monitors. You're going to notice cleaner, more accurate sound. Now, if you're just listening casually on your laptop speakers or Bluetooth earbuds, you might not hear a huge difference. So it kind of depends on your setup and what you're looking for. Personally, if I'm using anything better than regular built-in speakers, I'm definitely turning it on. And by the way, if you're not sure how to activate it, I've got a full video on how to enable exclusive mode in the Tidal desktop app. Go check it out. So should you use exclusive mode on Tidal? If you care about audio detail and you're using decent gear, then yeah, you probably should. If not, you're totally fine leaving it off. Hope this helped clear it up. If you'd like more audio tips or Tidal tricks, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment right here if you got any questions. Catch you in the next one.